Okay. So my next, I'm going to ask Nancy Tarbell, a pediatric radiation oncologist, to come up and read the nomination of our second recipient. Nancy?
Well, thank you, Tim, and great to see everybody. It's truly an honor and a great pleasure to be asked to read from the nominations from this very accomplished and terrific physician. A colleague was inspired to write, "She has been a leader and an often unsung hero. She tirelessly works to care for her patients, lead the department in everything related to our complex proton therapy operations and beyond, and has served formally and informally as a mentor to generations of staff and trainees." One nominator noted her empathy for patients and colleagues. Over the last few years, she's also taken on a personal passion, helping those cancer patients also simultaneously struggling with substance use disorder. She's the first to notice if a colleague is struggling or may need additional support, starting with herself as a listening ear. She cares deeply, as we've heard about so many others tonight, about our patients, our staff, and the MGH. I think she exemplifies what Jonathan Kraft talked about in terms of an exemplary team member, building the team, supporting the team, and modeling the importance of team. This colleague described her bedside manner. Oftentimes, her patients need to be informed of the worst news you can expect. Their disease has progressed to parts of their brain necessitating radiation treatment. She handles these challenging conversations with honesty, compassion, and kindness, giving her patients the time and attention needed to go over all the treatment options available to them, as well as any research areas that might be appropriate. Another colleague wrote, "She helps to care for some of the hospital's sickest patients, often having difficult and complex conversations about goals of care with patients and families. She has the rare skill of being able to balance compassion with honesty, and she forms strong connections with patients and families. It is common to hear her on the phone with a family member after a loved one has died, offering her support and comfort. As my former resident, current colleague, and friend, I am thrilled to announce Dr. Helen Shih is the 2019 recipient of the McGovern Award for Clinical Excellence and Other Services.